I'm going to tell you a beautiful story. 40 years ago, this man sold everything to buy a cycle and traveled 6,000 miles from India to Sweden to see his love. More than 40 years ago, a beautiful love story began between an Indian man and a young Swedish woman. After defeating all the odds, this beautiful couple is still together. Here is their unbelievable but very true story. Pradyumna Kumar Mahanadiya was born in a remote village of India in 1949. According to prophecy taught by an astrologer, after Kumar's birth, he was meant to marry a musician woman from a faraway country who is born under the zodiac sign of Taurus and owns a forest. The man remembers very clearly the day when prophecy became a real story. The beautiful journey began on December 17, 1975. Back then, Kumar was a street artist. A beautiful blonde woman with blue eyes named Charlotte von Schedwin asked him to draw a portrait of her. The nervous young man couldn't properly draw a woman of his dreams the first time, so he asked Charlotte to come back another day. She ended up coming back 3 times and I did 3 portraits, he said. After the second time, I felt she is the one. It turns out the mysterious foreign woman was born under the sign of Taurus, owns a forest, and also plays a musical instrument just as the prophecy said. You will be my wife. We were destined to meet, Kumar told his one real love. Charlotte, who was 19 years old at that time, wasn't scared of this unexpected confession and decided to give the young man a chance. It was the case of love at first sight for the couple. While Pradyumna fell in love with this Swedish beauty as he made her portrait, Charlotte found his passion for art quite attractive. The two then decided to unite in a holy matrimony and got married as per Hindu rituals with the blessings of his parents. The couple spent 2 to 3 weeks together before Charlotte came back home to Sweden. Mahanadiya remained in India and completed his final year of art school. Over a year into their separation, with their romance supported by a steady flow of letters, Mahanadiya decided he could no longer stand to be apart from his soulmate. He sold everything he owned, said goodbye to his family, and set off with a second-hand bike on an almost 4,000-mile journey from India to Sweden. For the next 5 months, Mahanadiya made his way along the Hippie Trail, an alternative tourism route that weaved through countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey, and parts of Europe. While the Iranian Revolution and the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan would shortly terminate this popular route for nearly all travelers, Mahanadiya's 1977 excursion was fortunately free of strife. The story of PK's epic journey has been documented in a book, The Amazing Story of the Man Who Cycled from India to Europe for Love. He finally reached Europe on 28th May via Istanbul and Vienna and then traveled to Gothenburg by train. After several cultural shocks and difficulties in impressing Miss von Schedwin's parents, the two finally got officially married in Sweden. I had no idea about European culture. It was all new to me, but she supported me in every step. She was just a special person. I am still in love just as I was in 1975, he says. The 64-year-old now lives with Charlotte and their 2 children in Sweden and continues to work as an artist. But he still doesn't understand why people think it was a big deal to cycle to Europe. I did what I had to. I had no money, but I had to meet her. I was cycling for love, but never loved cycling. It's simple.
secret is the love, the power of love. Love can change. I strongly believe in the power of love. As a human being, the only love can binds us all.